In Lexzur, contacts can be any individuals or companies you interact with, including clients, suppliers, leads, and more. All these entities can be efficiently managed within a single module. You can find the Contacts module under Core, Contra, or as a standalone section under Entity Management. The module is divided into 3 grids. Persons Grid lists all individual contacts along with their details. Companies Grid displays company records with relevant information. Clients Grid automatically lists all client types, making it easy to access and manage client records efficiently. Use the search bar or the filter panel on the left to locate specific contacts based on your criteria. To add a new contact, click Create from the main menu. Choose whether you want to add a person or a company. Fill in the mandatory fields. For persons, enter their first name, last name, and category to define their relationship with your entity. For companies, provide essential details such as company name, nickname, and category. To modify or access more details about a contact, simply click on their name or ID to open their dedicated page. For example, in companies, you can update basic details, address, and notes under the General Information tab. Additionally, entity details can also be recorded such as registration details, legal compliance, licenses, and waivers. Moreover, you can manage information related to shareholders, including capital, shares, reports, and board members' information. Navigate to the Attachments tab, where you can efficiently organize folder structures and upload documents tailored to a specific company. Users have also the capability to record a company's assets, set reminders, examine ownership percentages via the Tree View tab, and establish bank accounts associated with this specific company. These details are optional, but you can customize your database by capturing every piece of information you need. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.